This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 plus 3. For my sample, I cast on 15 stitches with DK weight yarn and US size 6 needles. For row 1, you're going to knit all stitches. For row 2, you're going to repeat knit 3, purl 1. So you just repeat knit 3, purl 1 until you get to the last 3 stitches. And when you get to the last 3 stitches, you just knit. For row 3, you're just going to knit all stitches. For row 4, you're going to start by knitting the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 3 until you get to the last 2 stitches. So you're just repeating purl 1, knit 3, and when you get to the last 2 stitches, you will purl 1 and knit 1. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.